Reading lessons. Rhyming sentences. Read it aloud. Only at Kids Learning is Fun. This is a ball. The ball is blue. Look at the ball. The blue ball is big. Now read it aloud. There once was a cat that ate a rat and after that sat on a yellow mat. Now read it aloud. Right kite height. To your right, you'll see a kite at a most incredible height. Now read it aloud. Owl, towel, growl. The big bear began to growl when the little owl used his towel. Now read it aloud. Bore for roar. The boy of 4 called the circus a bore until they heard the lions roar. Now read it aloud. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share. At Kids Learning is Fun.